Good morning, everyone. Today we will read the poem from Unit 2, that is Bird Talk. As the name suggests, this poem tells you about the bird talk, how bird talks. Like you all talk, no? Similarly, birds also talk. So we will see what they talk to each other. Let me first read very slowly for you, and then we will read with rhythm. Okay? So carefully see the underlined words and the pronunciation. Okay? So the poem is Bird Talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? It is written by Aline Fisher. So poem is written by poet. So who is the poet? Aline Fisher. So in this poem you see that birds are talking to each other about humans, about people. They wonder that we don't have feathers, we don't eat beetles, we don't grow wings, we don't fly, we don't sit on wires, etc. So they think we people are funny. Birds think that we people are funny because we don't have things like birds have. So now we will read it with a rhythm and fluently. Okay? Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Poet Aline Fisher. So this is all for now. Stay safe. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.